Hello, and thank you for joining us. ConvergePoint is proud to introduce our new quick audio series on contract lifecycle management. We will be presenting a set of short videos to explore ideas in contract automation, just to get you thinking about your current contract management process. We will then explore how automation can help reduce cost and create some legal team efficiencies, while at the same time organizing your contract documentation and collaboration efforts. To begin, we will first explore what most organizations are currently doing to manage their contracts, and then talk about a few process automations. As we move through the series, we will expand on specific processes and their benefits to you. ConvergePoint consistently consults with organizations on what they're currently doing to manage their contract process. Right now, we're seeing a combination of emails, shared departmental drives, and spreadsheets to manage contracts and their associated data. While these processes may have worked in the past, they are labor-intensive and provide low accountability with higher exposed risks to the organization. These risks include missing important contract dates, such as unwanted contract renewals, and unclear audit trails as to how a contract evolved when it was created. ConvergePoint has been part of a movement towards automating the contract lifecycle, in our case on SharePoint, by creating electronic processes out of the components that make up the contract lifecycle. Two processes that we will explore in this video series include the contract request process and the electronic approval process. For example, a contract request process reduces the number of frivolous requests by ensuring the requests are valid before they even make it to the legal team. It is important to have a request process to keep legal only working on the documents that are valid by ensuring departmental overheads have approved the process before it even gets to legal. A second process we will explore is the contract approval process that captures how contracts evolve during the creation and negotiation processes. This process also governs the contract approvals and makes sure that every necessary approval is gathered before a contract is fully accepted. This is important because it captures the audit trails around your contracts, basically the information and approvals associated with the contracts for future reference by internal and external auditors, as well as reference for when it comes time for renewals and all the discussions that went around that contract creation in the beginning. That way it can be applied for the next year. These are just two of the processes and ideas that we will be exploring during this video series. Check back over the next few weeks to view the rest of the series, but until then, take a moment to like our